right now I'm not thinking about it. I'm sure it should be good. I'm performing very much of late, so let's see how it goes. I think it should be fine. You don't expect a Hrithik Roshan kind of performance or a Tiger Shroff kind of performance from me. It'll be different.
तो 4 साल आप आईफा में नहीं थे, आपने कितना मिस किया?
5 साल, I think.
5 साल
4 या 5.
कितना मिस किया आपने आईफा को?
इस बार जब जाऊंगा तो पता चलेगा कितना मिस किया मेरा. It's ये जो पार्टनर्स आए पार्टी में मेरे बचपन के स्पेशल बॉन्ड है. They take good care of me. It's all about friendship and love, and I really like these guys. ये सिर्फ आईफा के टाइम पे मेरे साथ नहीं होते. They are with me always. Meet up with them very often. They've always stood by me. They've always been with me. So it's a different kind of thing.
तो सलमान, जिस तरह की स्टार वैल्यू आप जिस तरह की आपकी स्टार वैल्यू है, उस हिसाब से आईफा ने आपको मिस किया या आपने आईफा को मिस किया?
मुझे 4 दिन की छुट्टी होती है
जी,
तो मैं मिस करता हूँ.
ओके सर, आपने कहा कहीं कुंडली नहीं मिली, इतने सालों का वक्त हो गया, इतने सालों का गैप रहा, और अनिल सर ने कहा कि मेरी सलमान से दोस्ती और अब सब जानते हैं, क्या वजह रही इतने वक्त आप हिस्सा नहीं बने? अब
जो ये 3-4 आईफा हुए हैं काफ़ी दूर और क्योंकि मैं फिल्म में बैक टू बैक कर रहा था तो उनमें वो डेट्स एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाए. तो कभी मैं कश्मीर में था तो कहीं और था तो कहीं और था, तो वो डेट्स नहीं हो नहीं. मैनेज हो गए इस साल के डेट्स तो जा रहा हूँ.
Salman, and I don't know if you're aware about this or not, but last night Sohail misbehaved with 2 females.
I don't think he misbehaved.
You're aware about this?
I don't think so.
how excited are you?
Abusing female journalists.
Just the other day, I was going to the airport. One journalist, kept the mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic, and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I could look at her and said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick. You're young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of 40 folks. This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Where's my parents, my family, my friends, especially my mother, and auntie, my dad. We're young people, you can do this with us. Don't do this because you will not like this if I do it in front of you. Your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other, and no one's getting any fight, no one's getting any statement. So my brother at that point in time is concerned to my father. He's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे पर चढ़े जा रहे हो, you get your mics in front. You have the decorum. We all stand. Who doesn't stand? Who does not talk to people? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not? So, that's not. And they stood there, They stood there nicely.
Salman, but at this platform, can we really ask? A lot of fans are also anticipating.
नहीं बाबा यार.
अरे एक मिनट यार. Salman, no. I mean, a lot of fans. You have million fans. No, 1 second. You have million fans in India and abroad. The question is, will you actually marry Vidya Bansal? Because there is a lot of speculation. 1 second, guys.
He's saying something.
I don't even know your name. Why should I tell you? That's my thing. That's for my family.
Can you end this because it's
When I want to get married, I will get married. I don't need to tell you when I'm getting married. Understand that? If I want to do that, I will tweet it. Okay? If I'm doing that, I'll tweet up on my Facebook. So that is something that I will keep it to me and my fans.
Thank you.
सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ